Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our lesson today divide mixed numbers, and our objective how you can find the quotient of mixed numbers. First of all, my dear students, know what is the meaning of quotients. Yes, it is the answer of any division equation. For example, if I have 6 divided by 2, yes, it is equal to 3. So if I ask you about the quotient, you tell me it is the 3. Okay, and by the way, we call this divisor, yes, and this one dividend. Okay, so the quotient is the answer of division. And we have this example, solve and share. A jeweler has 5.5-inch strip of silver wire that she is cutting into 1 and 3/8-inch pieces. How many pieces will she make? Okay, so we have to know how many 1 and 3/8 pieces of or in 5.5 inches. So we are going to do the division, yes. So it is 5.5 divided by 1 and 3/8. And you are familiar about the mixed number, and you deal before with it, and you know that if I have any mixed number here, we have to write it as improper fraction. How come? As we learned before, you just multiply then plus, multiply then plus. And how it is work? 2 by 5 plus 1. 2 by 5 equal 10 plus 1 equal 11. So it is 11/2. Why over 2? Because the denominator is 2. Divide by again 8 by 1 equal 8 by 1 equal 8 plus 3 equal 11 over what? Yes, over 8. And I have a different problem here. Okay, let me change the color now. Okay, now the division we convert it to multiply, and the 11/8, we find the reciprocal for 11/8. It will be, yes, it will be 8/11. Why? Because we convert division to multiplication, and this is not free, you know. There is no in the world free. Everything you have to pay, and the payment for converted division to multiplication, it is the find reciprocal for this, for the divisor, yes. But don't touch this here, you keep it. Okay, my dear student, don't touch it. Okay, now I have a new multiplication here, fraction. Okay, now check up and down. Do you have any similar number? Yes, I have 11 with 11, so cancel the 11 with the 11 down, and instead of each one you have to write 1. Okay, this 1, because I divide by 11, and here write 1. So eliminate the 11. 1 by 8 equal 8, and 2 by 1 equal 2, and this is equal 4. So the answer here, it is equal 4. So how many pieces will she make? So the answer is 4 pieces. Okay, let us move to another example. Here I have this example. Again, I have a mixed number. Okay, convert it to improper fraction. Improper fraction, remember, by multiply plus. Okay, and you have to run in this way. 2 by 10 plus 1, 2 by 10, 20, 20 plus 1 equal 21. It is easy, yes? Over what? Yes, over 2. Divide. We just write the division. Okay, again 7 by 2 plus 6 equal 20. How 20, teacher? Because 7 multiplied 2 is 14 plus 6 equal 20. Yes, over 7. Okay, now I have a division. Okay, divide fraction. I know that division will be, yes, multiplication. And because of that, I had to find the reciprocal of this one only. So it will be 7 over 20. And here we keep it 21 over 2. Nice. So I have this one. So what I have to do? Yes, up with up, down with down. Check. Do you have any similar up and down? No. So go ahead. 21 by 7. So it is 100. 7 by 1 equal 7. And 7 by 2 equal 14. Over 40. So it is improper fraction. How we can do it? By using the long division. Yes. Okay, let us do the long division. Which is in, which is out, my dear student? Yes, this one is in. Up is in, down is out. Yes, the life rule. Now how many 40 in 147? Yes, it is 5. No. 4. No. Yes, it is a 3. So 120, and here 27. So how I write it? See, I draw a line here. Is hard? No, teacher. And the yellow will be here. This one will be here. And this one will be here. Okay, so the remainder up. And the divisor down. So here is everything. So it is 3 and 27 over 40. Okay, my dear students, let us take the last example here. Okay, it is 5 and 1 over 4 divided by 3. What is this? The first step? The first step, convert the mixed number. If you have any mixed number, write it as a improper fraction. Teacher, but I have a whole number here. Leave it, okay? Leave it now. We don't need it. Just convert this one. Now, yes, this way. 4 by 5, 20 plus 1 equal 21 over 4 divided by 3. Now I have this one. Fraction by whole number. We apply what we learned. The division, it will be multiplication. And because of that, we find the reciprocal of the divisor. But this is a 3, has no up and down. No. In fact, it has any whole number in the world, there are 1 live in down of it. So what is the reciprocal of 3 over 1? So it is 1 over 3. Okay. Now 21 over 4 multiply by 4 multiply by 1 over 3. Yes. Now 21 by 1 equal 21 over 12. As you learned, if the number up bigger than the number down, it is improper, and any improper can be written as a mixed number, as here. See, a mixed number here we write it as, yes, as improper fraction. At the end I have improper fraction, I have to write it as a mixed number. So how we write it? We just divide 21 by 12. How many 12 in a 21? Yes, it is 1, 12, 9. So how we write it? Yes, draw a line like this. The yellow part here, it is down, and the remainder with the blue is up. Okay, now 12 down and 9 up. So this is the answer, 1 and 9 over 12. But my dear student, listen to me carefully regarding to this one, 1 and 9 over 12. If you're looking for between the answer in the test, you will not find 9 over 12. Why? Because it is not written in the simplest form. So teacher, what we have to do? You have to write it in simplest form. You ask up and down, the 9 and the 12. What is the common number you can divide with it? The 2 not working. The 3 is working easily, yes? The 9 work with the 3. And the 12 is work with the 3. Okay? So 1, it will be 1 and. 9 divided 3, yes, it is 3. And 12 divided 3, it is 4. So you will find this answer between the answer in the test, okay, which is the correct answer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you know how to divide mixed numbers, and you know what is the meaning of quotient and what is the part of equation, of division equation: dividend, divisor, equal, quotient. Thank you for watching again. This is Muhammad Khair, and goodbye.